This week I am testing the Audi Q5. This is a lovely 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Audi Q5 there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seat backs, and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I could just fit 3 Infosecure child seats across the back here. I've got the Attain More, the Momentum More and the Adapt More infant capsule rear facing. Now I did find that 3 Infosecure child seats forward facing wouldn't quite squeeze across here, but with one of them rear facing then it would. Now legroom in the back here, with the rear facing Infosecure Adapt More capsule we could fit about a 180 centimetre driver in front, but with forward facing child seats we could fit 184 centimetre plus. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Audi Q5 is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a disposable coffee cup or a child's sippy cup. In the back of both front seats are net mat pockets that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and the door bins are good in the back. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and a second drinking bottle will fit too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, which are great for keeping passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also a USB and a 12-volt socket in the back there too, so rear passengers can charge devices while driving. Storage in the front is good too. In the central console box, if you lift the lid, there are 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There's also a sunglasses or phone tray in the central console box too that you can slide back and forward, and there's a USB-C socket in there too. Around the gear lever there are some storage wells, and in front of it a phone well too. There's also a USB socket there and a 12-volt socket. The glove box is a good size in the front. That will hold my iPad and wallet with the manual, and the door bins are great in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. The media system in the Audi Q5 is nice and modern. It's easy to use and to navigate. There are things you can change in here, like you can adapt the sound and things like that. Things that are great when you've got kids. Now it does have Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic, so you can access your apps and your phone while you're driving along. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You can easily turn the parking sensors on and off with a button down in the central console box. The boot of the Audi Q5 opens with the touch of a button and closes that way too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 14 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us their new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 pram. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon cart fits with 8 shopping bags, and the Jiffle Wagon holds up to 60 kilos of cargo inside the wagon too. The Jiffle Wagon with its seat fits with 4 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 8 shopping bags, and the Jiffle Wagon with bassinet fits with 3 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon. Q5 is a nice car to drive. Like most Audis, it feels very solid on the road, and it feels nice and robust. Now it is nice and quiet and smooth, which you expect of a luxury car. Visibility is good. I can still see out of the back window even with the 3 child seats in the back, and visibility out of the side windows even with those child seats is good. Now the turning circle is lovely and small in here, making it perfect for school and supermarket car parks and manoeuvring around town, as well as it being a lovely quiet drive on the highways and open roads. So to sum up with the Audi Q5, it does make a fantastic baby drive. You can just fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back row, however 2 do fit much more comfortably. The boot space is good in here. You can fit the 6-in-1 Jiffle Wagon pram, so for those that need for twins or infants, then that's perfect. The drive is good and the media system and cameras are fantastic.